Hi friends, the stock which we are going to talk about is Gujarat State Petronet Ltd. This company recently has fallen down by 30%. So let's understand what this company do, and then we will move on to why the company has fallen down, followed by we will analyze whether this is a good opportunity to buy or not. The Gujarat State Petronet Ltd, which often known as GSPL, is engaged in transmission of natural gases through its pipeline. Okay, and it also generates an electricity through windmills. So, and now we will look into why this company has fallen down by 30%. All right. Yeah, the Petroleum and Natural Gas Board to reduce tariffs. Tariffs are nothing but charges on GSPL's HP pipeline. So this board is actually planning to reduce the charges of that pipeline from rupees 34 per unit to rupees 18.1 per unit. So this is a reduction of 47%. So what will happen is that now the company will be getting lesser money from their end customers. Earlier, say for example, it used to get 100 rupees. Now it will be only be getting 50 rupees from the end customers. So because of which the net profit of the company would decrease. So because of which the investors have sold their stake and have exited, and because of which the prices of the share has fallen down by 30%. So all the impact that has to happen has already done. So now I guess it's a good opportunity to invest if the fundamentals of these companies are good enough. Now let's analyze if this is a good opportunity or not. The market capitalization of this company is 17,000 CR, which is not very big. It has a greater potential to grow up, and even the stock P is not very high. It's in fact very less as compared to this industry PE, and even the debt is just equal to none, and the results are also too much for this company as compared to its market cap, and the net profits are also decent enough as compared to its size of the company. Now let's look into the profit and loss statements. The sales have been continuously increasing over the years, but then for the last 3 years the sales have been remained constant. All right, I guess this is because the prices were high and more of new end customers were not actually interested to have these pipelines at that cost. Maybe that could be the reason why the board has reduced the prices of the pipelines. All right, and even the expenses were okay, and the net profits also have been constant for the last 5 years. All right, but one good news is enough for this company to make all-time high again. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, promoters hold the 37.6% of the stake, FIs, DIs together holds the 40% of the company, and government also holds the 2% of the company. So altogether, the strong hands holds the 80% of the company. So do you think that when the strong hands are having 80% of the company, do they just keep and watch like that? No, right? They will just do something about this and they will bounce it back again. All right. So I guess this is the plan of the operations or operators to consolidate or buy at that level to the bottom. And one good news is enough for this company to bounce back to its all-time high, and that could happen within a year or 2 years. All right, so don't expect that it will happen within 1 or 2 days. If you are in long-term investors, I guess this is a golden opportunity for you to invest in. All right, so although this isn't good for me, I mean, I feel it's good, but then you do your analysis and only then you buy or sell, or that's your decision. All right? And now let's look into the chart and let's see how much this company can give you if it bounce back. All right, so one good news is enough for this company to bounce back from the levels of 300 to the levels of 400 and something. All right, so this is actually an 33% of the returns if it just bounced back to its all-time high, previous all-time high. All right, so if the prices gets less and if more of end customers involved in this or interested in this, then I guess the prices would go even much higher. I mean, the share price would go even much higher. All right, so yeah, do your analysis from your side and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and do subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Thank you.